Data is an invaluable source of information in both academic and private research. Whatever your area of expertise, you need powerful, simple, and comprehensive data analysis software in order to get precise conclusions and make relevant decisions. With a multitude of features, XLSTAT helps you produce excellent analyses from your data according to your needs. XLSTAT takes the form of drop-down menus integrated into Microsoft Excel. Get your results easily and instantly in an Excel spreadsheet, which you can edit at your convenience and share. Export your results to Word or PowerPoint with just one click and prepare your reports in the blink of an eye. XLSTAT compiles all general statistical methods, including multivariate techniques, statistical tests, modeling, and machine learning. The software also offers specialized methods sorted according to different areas of expertise, such as finance, sensometrics, or marketing. XLSTAT is as flexible as it is powerful. Get the most out of your data now.